how to prepare the cuticle area using an electric file. I want to show you first what kind of bead I am using. This is the bead called Flame, and it has like a 220 to 240 grade. Something is very important here is the tip. So this one is very pointy, and this one, it goes under the cuticle area. So I'm going to use a very slow rotation, which is between 7 to 9 RPMs. So I'm going to start from the middle part, very slow and very careful, doing slow strokes, not too much pressure. And then when you get on the side groove, you are going to apply or put your bead straight, and just make sure that you press a little bit in one single direction. So from the middle, you are going to do small lines like this, small. And then as soon as you get on the side groove, you position your bead in 0 angle degree, and then you are going to press and pull down just on one stroke. Then for the other side, for the right side, you want to change the position or the rotation of your bead, and you are going to put it on reverse. So on that way, you will not have any problem doing the right side. So you are going to come and do the same part right here. Slow motion, slow strokes. And then as soon as you get on the nail groove, 0 angle degree and only one stroke. I'm going to do it again. Small strokes. Okay, side groove, straight. You see? Then I'm going to take the dust, and you can see how deep these parts are. So you will be you will have a very clean area where you can work and perfect your application. So I'm going to lift a little bit more the cuticle area, and with the reverse rotation, I'm going to use the belly of the bead, and I'm going to just press up. And if you have some parts that are dry on your client's finger, you can, on this position, you can start like soften a little bit more right here on these corners. Then you are using the belly of the bead, and you're going up, pushing up the cuticle area, and it will be so much easier for you to perfect your application if you have this type of cuticle preparation. Now that we prep the cuticles, normally what you use in the salon are these kind of bands. With these ones, you have to use it only one time, and then you have to get rid of these ones, which I don't prefer. I prefer to use this type of beads, because this one you can sterilize between each of your clients, and it's more easy for you to do it, and also it's not too expensive to buy these ones every single time. So I love to use this kind of band. It's really soft. It's only going to take the dorsal layer of your natural nail, so it will be much easier for you to work on those with this type of bands, and also the result on the natural nail will be much better. So you want to use, if you are right-handed, you always want to use your electric file in a 4-guard position or a 4-guard rotation. So you can file either way. You can do it like this way, side to side, or also you can do it up and down. But it's very important not to do both ways, only pick one that you feel comfortable doing it. I prefer to do it side to side, and I start from the cuticle to the very end of the free edge. So I start doing this in only one direction, and if you feel that the rotation is too slow, you can go up a little bit, and the rotation is between 7,000 to 9,000 RPMs. So I'm going all the way. Okay, and remember, you don't have to be so strong on this. Just be very, very soft and let the file, the lecture file, do the work. Okay, that will be like that. I will take the dust and I will continue with the next step.